Shayla Jai for those that are new here, and oh my goodness. So I was playing around with makeup today using the Jeffreestar Jawbreaker palette, and I've created this type of look. Okay, so this is the first time I've done like a look kind of like this, where it just wings out and goes like that. Yeah, I got real creative. If you want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to go in with the Morphe eyeshadow primer. Take it out my finger. Okay, so I have not done these like more traditional winged eyeshadows. I don't even know what they're called. I'm using the Jawbreaker palette. I'm gonna go in with the shade Cherry Wet, and I have like a very hooded eye, so I want to go on top of that. So I want to go whatever's on top of my hood. And this is just an outline, so don't worry, you can get a little messy because you're just going to end up blending it anyways. What I'd like to do is I like to just relax my eyes. It doesn't matter if you make it too thick under here because you're just going to go in with the concealer anyways. So relax your eyes as much as you can. And then it goes like this, and I'm going to, from here, I'm going to kind of flip it like that. There we go. Yes! Okay. Girl, I already have a comb. Yeah. I'm gonna take the yellow shade shadow called Wow. So I'm gonna take the yellow shadow and I'm gonna go right above that. And I'm really just blending it. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, I want to take a thicker. Let's take something a little thicker. Okay, just a little bit thicker. A little more like... Okay, not too bad. That is done. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop concealer to kind of just outline. Ooh, I might need another layer. So I am going to take orange juice and put it right below that peak. Ooh, that is... One more time. Ooh. I'm also going to take a little bit of the yellow one and put it towards my center and bring it up a little bit. Why did I do this? I done messed it up.
Digits on the beat.
This is like the end of my look. What do you guys think? Write down in the comments. I want to hear you guys' thoughts. This is the first time I've done like any type of look like this. Yeah, what do you guys think? I really want to know. I'll be replying back to you guys.